Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Stu, and it's Saturday afternoon, and I am down in Carmel Valley for the day. But just got a shipment yesterday from Bay Photo, which is my printer for all the photography stuff that I'm doing, and thought I would share with you the unboxing of what's in here. I'm kind of excited to see what everything looks like. This is the first chance I've had an opportunity to order a bunch of stuff from them, and wanted to see what it looks like on some of the various media that you can buy from on my site. So here we go. Got a little box right here, which is probably off the camera. So open that. See the box. So here we go. Good packing material. So start with a couple of, I think these are 12 by 15 prints on paper. So you see it's pretty well taped down. So give me a minute to get the stuff off here. Hope this isn't too boring for everybody. How's everyone doing today? It's pretty sunny down here, so as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to head out, do a little bit of hiking, probably down to Big Sur. It's good to see some of you joining today. Hope you're having a great day. They don't make this easy, which is good. Alright, so here's the first one. This is Splash, which you can find on the website. And this is 12 by 15 with, I think, it's a 1-inch mat. Looks really nice. Pretty happy with how that came out. Okay, that's the first one. Put that over here. Then I thought I would also check out their acrylics. So this is Christmas Rainbow, and this one is printed on acrylic. So let's see what this one looks like. So this is acrylic with a Dibond back, and it's got a cleat, so see, makes it easy to hang. It comes pretty well wrapped up. That one also, pretty happy with how that's looking. Okay. And got a metal print. The metal print is also of Splash. Just figured I'd be consistent. Pick a couple of different photos as opposed to lots of different photos, but again, really well packaged in here. Crack this open. So this one is also 12 by 15. Oh, they do a really good job of packaging these things up. So a little cardboard backing, throw that over there. Actually, this one is the Christmas Rainbow on metal. Oh, that came out really nice. Can you see that? Love it. And metal back, so you can hang that up. This one over here. Okay, next up is canvas. And this one is Splash. This is also 12 by 15 on canvas. Have I lost everybody yet? Looks like a couple of you are still hanging in there. Almost done. So this is Splash on canvas. See, pretty thick. This one is 12 by 15 canvas, and I went with the metallic canvas option, which you'll see on the site. Looks really nice too. Love it. Last one is a wood print, which I haven't seen before. They really did a good job of packaging this one up, as you can see. This one might take me a little while to get through, but we'll see what we can do. Should have brought some scissors with me, because it's no joke. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get through this one. This is a part of live video that I'm not wild about. Talk amongst yourselves. Just kidding. What's everybody doing on this beautiful Saturday afternoon? Anybody else got plans to get outside, go for a walk, take some pictures? Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to do this without scissors. Hey, nope. Slowly but surely. Wow, that's beautiful. Everybody hanging in there? How's it going? Oh, Barbara, how are you? All right. Almost there. There we go. So this is Splash on wood print. Let's see, nice solid wood. Boom, boom, boom. This is a 16 by 20, so you get a sense as to how big it is. Wow. It's pretty cool to see these things come to life off the screen. So, love the way that one came out. If anybody has any questions about any of the stuff, prints you're thinking of, things you'd like to see that you don't see on the site, feel free to let me know. But appreciate you all joining in for a little bit today. Hope that wasn't too boring. That's it for now. Have a great day. Bye.